It doesn't really hurt, see?
Like this, look at this. Magic. Oh, dali na. My God.
Yeah.
Picture. Picture.
Oh, okay. You got
Can you turn live?
Malapit na, ubos na ka.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy
Yeah.
New Year!
See if you can lift me.
Oh, Mummy's got more.
Oh, do
Greta, asa ka na? Greta ka na.
Oh, it's finished.
Naubos ang akin, ma'am.
Mom, show me.
Ganun.
Last verse.
Last one, kay light man to.
Ay, move.
Okay, magkait ka.
Come on, I finish na, Mike.
Magkait ka.
Finish.
Nabali na.
We get a new one. Oh my God,
Doon sa
finish.
grips.
Why you guys
Ay, yeah, you forgot to
Kagain pa pala siya yung grips sa kalimutan na. Wala.
Wait, that was our school what did it? The fireworks.
Happy New Year, my love.
That work it where it was.
Alright.
Nandito
Ano ba?
eh.
Look, yeah.
Mom.
Come on, picture.
Dito, just connect siya here.
Uy, mapasok. Mapasok pag-uwi, ang daming pasok. Ano siya,
Okay. Happy New Year.
Alright, don't worry, take picture.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone! Thank you for having us here in your wonderful home.
Okay, get me down.
At say no more. Ito mo pa ako.
Hey!
Greta, grab a extra. Oh, grab a extra, please.
Mommy.
Grab mo ko yung... Para tayo sa video yan.
Ubusin na natin. Hindi naman ito magagamit.
I remember I read my name, and it looks like you can see it.
Yeah, you can. In the...
Ang kulit pa rin yung fireworks pag ano.
Okay.
Happy New Year, everyone.
And it won't fall on the ground if you drop it.
No.
Happy New Year.
When it gets closer to me.
Come on.
Aga,
Meron kita po ng
Happy New Year.
What he's doing, Denise?
He's eating the grapes. Don't worry.
Look.
He's eating the grapes
She's
after
eating the grapes.
I'm gonna get
And
another
Anong gawin namin?
her dreams
I'm
come
gonna get
true.
another one.
Boyfriend.
2026, she will have
Trying to
12
get
boyfriends.
out. Really rich,
Wala na?
rich.
12 boyfriends.
Happy New Year in
Oh.
Philippines.
Sunugin pa naman yung...
Ah,
Sunugin. Happy New Year.
Yan na. Meron pa naman doon.
Wow.
Are you gonna have rubber?
Sige, sige.
Okay, do it. Don't miss it. It won't
I can
hurt
see
you.
mine. I read it.
No, you're just gonna hold here, but it won't come to your hand. Don't be scared.
I can see the stars.
We're not
Plenty of stars.
See?
Wow. Hold
Oh
it.
my
That's
gosh,
up.
you have a big
And then you
He's
take
got a big one.
If you keep doing it,
Look at the moon, it's hiding.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because lucky they have someone in
Mom,
the...
can I drop it?
Meron pa doon din mahaba.
Yeah.
I get new ones every
And
time.
the last time too, they have fireworks over there too.
Only one left.
Remember last
Look at the
That was
fireworks.
messy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You want more? No, that, you can have this. Go more.
No,
Or you want this more?
Kaya, kaya.
I want to
David,
do that.
David kami.
Who wants more on it?
Me.
No.
Me. What one?
Ano sa'yo mahaba?
I want one.
Mahilig ka talaga sa mahaba.
Naman. Sarap pag mahaba.
Wait, let me get hot.
Ako din.
Happy New Year, welcome to 2026.
Sorry.
More?
Hey,
Oh, you got plenty?
Give me that.
Oh, you made me rich, Greta.
Give me some more.
You're masabi.
I'm
Wait,
might
Rafa.
gonna finish.
Look, Rafa, there's a circle. Wait, look.
Ang dami mo ah. Hapat-hapat
Wait,
na
look,
sa'yo.
look.
Gaya na ilaw niya.
Napatay tuloy.
I'm doing a big circle.
Asan? Happy New Year.
Look, a big circle, Pop.
Careful when you give me.
Mom, is Daddy too big?
Ay,
Drop it, just drop it on the
Sing.
ground.
No,
Drop it,
no,
drop it.
don't drop it.
It doesn't buzz.
It will.
See, look.
See? Yeah, it will if you're gonna.
If you leave it too long, it actually does. Wait, I want to move it. Mom, can you
Thank
do
you,
this one now?
lady.
Wait, no. Kyle, oops. Try mo nga, Bish.
No, it won't go up like that.
Nasi, natutunog.
What's wrong?
Burning.
Who's crying?
No kids na sila.
What's wrong? Did I hurt? Oh my God, you took the wrong one. You burned it wrong.
Good mom.
Grab my eyes.
I didn't know.
Get eyes.
You got worse.
Oh my God.
Actually,
Why did you touch it so much?
Hey.
Okay.
That's enough now. That's alright. Ibig na yung wire yung hawakan niya. Ito na hawakan. Mainit.
Yeah, it could be, and you will get burned if you put it there. Here, dito. Dito, oh, ilagay ka.
Ito na ba yung ganun? Ito na.
Tingnan niyo pa. Pati na takbo.
You can't even see it.
Hindi siya na nag-countdown.
Ilang,
Di ba usually na yung countdown?
sila.
Hindi na nagsabi, may fireworks pala dun.
Kaya ang ganda pa nun sa labas. Kita-kita. Hindi tayo na inform. Happy New Year.
Kyle had to put it
You're
down.
more
Put it down, oh. You're finished. Because it was starting to burn then.
Yeah, wow.
Don't put it in the ground, ha?
I'm getting changed.
Ay, na. Umitin.
Sabi lang.
Ano yan? Tapos wala siya.
And
And you can eat it too.
Ah, you guys, you're so dangerous.
Dangerous, I wanna
I'm
be
gonna put in your underarm.
dangerous.
How am I gonna get through?
You can. What you guys wish for?
Dangerous. What the?
That's
Bit
our
more
mommy.
cheeky.
She is dangerous, don't worry about that, Caroline.
Ah, nagpatay na.
Wait,
No, grab it. It won't
give it to
come
your
up.
mom
No, don't.
when you get scared, okay?
Not gonna go
It
up.
won't go up. You need to bring it
Then
up.
it's good.
Mom, this one's beautiful.
What are you doing? What are you doing, mate? You right? Yeah?
No.
You right?
You want more?
Where
You
are
right?
they?
You want another one?
Oh,
Yeah. I'll burn ya. Oh.
You burn him too.
Meron pa dito.
Madami pa kayo.
Okay.
You're not gonna die. Why you crying?
No, it's not free.
You're tired, isn't it? You wanna go to sleep.
You alright, right?
Meron pa yata sa loob.
Abi na mag
Bump. Bump.
There you go. Hey.
When you gonna become a big boy?
Dad, look. It might be perfect.
Yeah, it does.
If you keep
Lights
doing
up.
it like
Ganun
that,
yun.
you can actually
Ay,
extend
mag-ihop.
them smart.
Really?
Ipaubos, ipaubos ka din.
Okay.
One, two, wala pa.
But big.
Get it on. Like that.
Okay.
See?
Ay, daw.
Wow.
Can you put all this in the rubbish somewhere?
No, I can see it.
Save the one sec.
Mom took that.
Baho pala yun. Meron pa?
Kinuha mo.
Punta natin. Ano na?
Wala na. There's no...
Go, 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 mom. Wala na. It's almost finished. Hurry up.
Happy New Year, everyone! Yay! 2026.
2026.
Yay!
More money.
Oh, what?
More money.
More cheese.
More hotel. More
Disgusting.
More good health.
Yeah, go down for our house.
Yeah.